Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a Valentine's Day card using one of my all-time favorite stamp sets, Teeny Tiny Wishes. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our Big Shot, and we are going to do our cutting first. And I have a gold foil sheet along with the Painted with Love Designer Series paper. And then I have the Sweetheart Framelits, or the Sweet and Sassy. Yeah, Sweet and Sassy Framelits. And I'm using the biggest heart and the second biggest. And we'll run those through. And let me just show you which ones I'm using. So there's two different kinds of hearts. So I'm using these kind of hearts, the two largest. Okay, now for our embossing, I have a piece of powder pink, and then I have I believe this one is the Sweetheart embossing folder, but I will double check and I'll put the name in the description. Alright, so we'll put our sandwich down. And the powder pink measures 4 by 5 1/4. Alright, and then we have this. Isn't that nice? Alright, so let's get the Big Shot out of the way and start putting this card together. My card base is CALYPSO Coral, and it is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. So I'm going to put down my emboss piece. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it down this way. I'm going to go ahead and just put it down with some fast fuse. And remember, when it's embossed, to put adhesive on all 4 sides. And then I will just center that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive on our smaller heart. And then put that in the middle there. And I was thinking about putting that. Yes, I think I am. So I'm just going to come in with some SNAIL adhesive. Put that doily down. And now for our stamping, I'm going to use the CALYPSO Coral Classic Stampin' Pad. And I have a piece of powder pink. And then I have the Happy Valentine's Day from Teeny Tiny Wishes. And this is on block G. Alright, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my classic label punch. And I'm just going to center that. Just like that. And I want to put this across. So I think I'm going to pop it up with some mini dimensionals. And I'm just going to go ahead and use 3 for good measure. All right. I tell you what, this last one is giving me havoc. It doesn't want to be on this card. Alright, so let's get a different one. There we go. And I think I'm just going to put it right across that way. And then I'm going to come in with my regular size dimensionals and pop this up as well. Alright, so there we go, a quick and simple Valentine's Day card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!